to my channel. So today's video is I'm doing another one of Snack Crate. I have 2 here, and then I think I have 1 more coming, and then I'm probably going to cancel my subscription because, as most of you know, I'm moving at the end of July, so I don't want to have things showing up at this house when I'm not here. So let's get into today's video, which is, let's see which country we're going to, because I haven't looked yet. Which one is it? France. I'm in the light again. Jeez, I keep picking the wrong spot. So let's pull this out. Leave that in there. So like every time, we've got our paper. We got some fun facts. We got a country. I think it's a country overview. Yeah, country overview. We got some music. We've got the picture with the fleur-de-lis down at the bottom. And then obviously some more fleur-de-lis on the back. Picture of, I guess I should turn it the right way around. France on the front. My dog's running around out there. So, awesome. I will read that later. I'm not too worried about it. And then again, we have our paper. Kind of tells us what's in what. So let's just dive right in and see what we have. Where do I want to start? Let's start with these. So these say Lay's Poulet Roti, which is roti chicken, I believe. I know for a fact I'm not saying that right, so. This is kind of cool. I don't know what this means though. I've never seen that before. Okay, well, let's open it. I'm kind of nervous. A chicken flavored chip. Oh my god, it smells like chicken. Okay, I'm just gonna have a little one. They're not bad. I mean, they definitely taste like chicken. Like, they taste like almost like a chicken gravy. Just a second, I think my dog's in the flour. Get out of the flour! Sorry. Dog's trying to smell the flour, but he squishes them, so he's a little weird. Yeah, so these aren't bad. They're a thumbs up for me. I'll probably finish eating this bag today. But yeah, they taste like a chicken gravy kind of thing. But they're good. They're really good. Oh, my hair is bothering me today. Okay, now what do we have? These feel like a cake. Saint Michel Madeleines. They look like a chocolate chip kind of cake. There's 5 of them in here. Oh my god, these smell like birthday cake. I'll probably end up bringing, yeah, because I got 4 left. I'll probably end up bringing, I'm going to see my grandparents for coffee this afternoon. So I'll probably end up bringing a couple to them. Let's try them. Ow, I cut my finger. Yeah, it just tastes like a chocolate chip cookie, almost. A little softer. A little bit better than a chocolate chip cookie, but it's good. I'm gonna finish eating it. So now we got candy. Haribo, which is a brand obviously. Tagada Fraise. Fraise is strawberry, isn't it? I think. I didn't pass French in high school. I gave up. I think I took language for travel. And I don't remember most of it. got that sugary fruit smell, so I can't figure out what flavor it is. It's strawberry, and oh my god, those are good. They kind of remind me of, we have like little marshmallow strawberry candies, and they're so good. But it's like you're eating like a thing of sugar. That's all it is. You're eating a cube of sugar. But they're good. Oh my goodness, what is this now? I apologize if you're wearing headphones. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, this is Haribo Orangina pick. Tangy citrus. Oh, it's flavors of the ever popular Orangina soda. Okay, so they look like little. Oh my god, they're gummy. Like they're hard. Not so much hard, but like they're super thick and there's not a lot of give to them, so when you bite them, it just kind of bounces back. But they're good. They're a little bit sour. They're not bad. I actually like them. I'll probably end up putting all the candy into a bag and just eat it at work, which is the fun way to do stuff. Okay, next. I don't know what these are, but there's a couple different ones here. They're not on my list. Oh yeah, they're there. And these are Tet Bouley. So I got two flavors. Looks like palm, which I think is apple, and fraise, which I already said I think is strawberry. But it says their chewy candies have an intensely sour coating that melts away to reveal a soft, sweet, fruity center. So, in my experience, they're like a Laffy Taffy then. But Laffy Taffy is just all sweet. Smells like apples, so I think it's apple. Holy crap. That is really sour. It's really good though. But holy cow, it's sour. But it's good. But it's stuck in my teeth. That's good. I'm gonna eat those today. I know it because they're good. Okay, what do we got? I'm gonna completely butcher this name and I really don't want to, but it says Gayette, so I'm assuming it's like a cake type deal. It says a cookie, so you can see the name. There you go. So I got two little packages of these. So we're just gonna eat the whole little thing. It's like a little cookie. That's good. It reminds me of like a shortbread cookie. I don't know if that's what it is, but it reminds me of a shortbread cookie. It's pretty good. We'll do this one and then I'll grab the drink out. Mikado Chocolate Noir. So I'm assuming it's dark chocolate. And these are like, I'm assuming like a Pocky. Like a Pocky situation, if you know what Pocky is. Yeah, they're totally like Pocky. It's just a stick covered in dark chocolate. They're good. Yeah, they just taste like a pretzel with chocolate on it. I don't know if it is actually a pretzel. It just says biscuit. So I'm assuming it's a biscuit, not a pretzel. Okay, let's get out this drink. Because this is the Orangina. I don't know what Aesop pulp means. But this is the Orangina soda, which is what those gummy candies were based off of. I don't know if I can actually open this with these nails. We'll use my scissors. Yeah, it looks kind of orangey. Well, that's good. It's just like a orange juice, but with a little bit of fizz in it. It's good. I like that. And it doesn't have very much fizz either, so it's not like overpowering. Because I don't drink a lot of pop anymore. If any, I stick to like sparkling water or sparkling coconut water. And that's good. It doesn't remind me of a pop though. Which is kind of nice because I haven't had one in quite a while. Okay. So this is Haribo Roulette cola flavor. So it says I should be able to just take one disc. Okay. Just a little gummy. They don't taste like Coke. Well, I guess it's cola flavor, not Coke, but they're not horrible, but I'm not a fan because it's again, that like texture where it's you bite into it, but it just springs back. Not awful, but not my favorite. Next. Now this just says Lulu on it. But it says it's a sweet bear-shaped sponge cake filled with decadent milk chocolate. I just will cut the ear. I find that a lot of these places have bear-shaped snacks. Because, yeah, lots of them have bear-shaped snacks. I just ate part of his head. It's pretty good. It's like got a Nutella inside. It's good. But again, it's just like a normal cake with some Nutella in it. It's good though. Okay. So Nestle Sundae. Crispy cornflakes. Cornflakes? Cornflakes don't belong in candy. Okay, gotta keep an open mind. Cornflakes don't belong in candy though. Rice Krispies, yes. I can see that, but cornflakes? Okay, so it's like a... It's like falling apart. Anyway, let's try it. It's okay. Not my favorite. I don't know what to think about these cornflakes on top. I mean, it's not going to go to waste. Somebody will eat it. It's not horrible, but not my favorite. Okay, we've got 2 things left in this box. So this says Nestle Nuts. Again, it's got this score on it. And it's an E. So obviously it doesn't have any nutritional value. I never seen it on any of the other ones though. Was it on this one? No. So it was just the chips and this one that had it on. Again, just like a chocolate bar. Not just like a chocolate bar. I think it's hazelnuts, but I'm not sure. It's good, whatever it is. I don't know why I'm trying to read the ingredients. They're all in French. And I don't know French. But I'm assuming it's hazelnuts because the picture says or looks like hazelnuts. It's good though. Okay, last thing. What the heck is it? Petite something. I'm gonna butcher the name, so I'm not even gonna try. I don't know if you can actually see it. There we go. So it's shortbread topped with chocolate. We can get these at the grocery store. Like, that's what they look like. They just look like our grocery store cookies. Like, we can buy these. However, these are much better than our grocery store cookies. That was good. I enjoyed that. So all in all, I think there was only one thing I didn't really like, and that was the Haribo like cola gummies. But other than that, pretty much all of it. I mean, yes, I don't understand that corn flaky chocolate bar thing, but it was good. I like these because I get to try some different snacks that chances are in my life I may not try. France, I mean, I really want to travel Europe regardless, so France I'm hoping to hit eventually, but you never know, right? But yeah, all in all, everything tasted really good. So like, subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. You can, I think I have a link to my Facebook group that I can put out. And I'm getting into the habit of making some more videos. I'm going to have videos from my upcoming road trip. I'm going to have videos about moving, packing, and everything else. And school starts in September for me, so excuse me. So I'm pretty busy this summer, so I'm hoping to be able to share and bring you guys along with me with all that. So I will see you next time. Bye.